Hi everyone, Rwan Hardesty here. Today I wanted to start a family law series to discuss what a Texas standard possession order looks like. A standard possession order is about visitation and access to your children, and it has a lot of parts to it and can be quite confusing. So let's start with the basics. First, if you and your ex are good at co-parenting, the standard possession order allows you to make agreements as to visitation and access. However, if you are not good at co-parenting, then the standard possession order is what will be essentially the law for your visitation and access to your children. Before we go any further, let's talk about a couple of important terms. The first is whether you are the custodial parent or the non-custodial parent. The custodial parent is the parent that the child lives with primarily. The non-custodial parent is the visiting parent that the standard possession order will mostly apply to. So, as the non-custodial parent, the SPO, which is the standard possession order, will say that you have visitation rights on the first, third, and fifth weekends of each month. What this means is that you will be able to pick your child up at 6 o'clock p.m. on Friday evening on those weekends and return them to the custodial parent on the following Sunday at 6 o'clock p.m. How do you decide when the first, third, and fifth weekends are? Well, you look at a calendar, and whichever Friday is the first Friday of the month, that is the Friday that controls. So if the first Friday of the month is in the first week of the month, then that is the first weekend. There are some months where the first Friday of the month isn't until the second week of the month. Those months have the first day starting on a Saturday, and therefore the first weekend wouldn't happen until the second week of the month. During the school year, the non-custodial parent also gets to have possession and access of their child every Thursday from 6 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m., the midweek visit. This is a great time to have dinner with your children and learn about what's going on in their lives. To learn more about the standard possession order, watch part 2 of this series.